He's going to walk right over. He wants to see Mikey. All right, that's enough, Tessa. This is my turn. She says, I haven't had a turn yet. She says, I saw my chance and I took it. Lily, shh. Chew your chew stick. Oh! You can take her home with you, Mikey. She loves you. Not him, though.
That's my hair.
Tessa, get your foot off the couch.
Come here, Hudson. Hudson, come here. Come here, Hudson. Hudson.
Don't roughhouse with him. I don't want him to learn roughhouse. He says, well, now what do I do?
Where's Scruff? Scruff.
She can't hear you.
Don't get her.
She's chewing her feet. She says, oh, Mikey, are you here? I didn't know you were here.
Oh, you're gonna get bit.
I didn't know you were here, Mikey. I didn't know you were here.
Off. Off.
All right, be a good boy, Hudson. Leave it. Hey, Scruff. Huddy. Good boy. Leave it. Hudson,
Off.
leave it. Good boy, good boy. That's a nice boy.
Good boy.
So, well, if I have to be a good boy, I'm going to get down. So, nice kiss for Mikey. That's a kisses for Mikey. Got kisses for Mikey. Huh? No, Lily's turn. Hey, Mike.
Okay.
How's it going? Okay, Mikey, this is your Christmas video.